Hi, everybody, it's FIBO Group, and you are watching to the Market Watch Review. The sixth drop in regional benchmarks in Asia-Pacific was a red sea for the bourses. Surprisingly, Europe's Stoxx 600 has managed to break a six-day losing streak, posting small gains at midday. The move is led by utilities and energy. The U.S. futures remain steady. The dollar is riding high between Putin's mobilization of 300,000 Russian soldiers and the expectation that Fed Chair Powell will lead the central bank to its third consecutive 75 BP increase later today. The dollar has reached new highs of 2 years against the dollar bloc, Chinese yuan, and sterling. Sterling was at its lowest level since 1985. The range of gold at the end last week is still intact, but it is firm. December WTI is almost $2 more. It's above $85 per barrel. Asian Pacific market. Tomorrow's Bank of Japan meeting will be concluded. The BOJ faces immediate challenges as the 10-year government bond continues to exceed its 0.25% cap. The US dollar traded slightly higher, trading above JPY 144.00 for the first week in a row. It fell in the late Asian turnover and closed at JPY 143.35. The RBA in Australia has increased its target rate by 225 BP, and the Australian dollar has fallen by 7.5%. The Australian dollar fell to $0.66,555, a new low for the currency. The Australian dollar is now on the defensive, and the $0.06,600 target area is the next chart area to watch. Market of Europe. Thursday is the Bank of England's meeting. Economists favor a 50 BP increase. Swaps market has a 60% chance for a 75 BP increase. Sterling is not waiting. It has traded at near $1.13 per dollar in late Asian trading since 1985. Tomorrow's meeting will also be attended by the Swiss National Bank. The Swiss National Bank has raised rates once before, a move of 50 BP in June. The deposit rate remains below zero. It was 5.2% lower than the US dollar yesterday, surpassing the Canadian dollar. Yesterday's outside down day for the euro saw it trade on both ends of Monday's range, closing below its lowest level. Today's follow-through selling saw the euro trade at $0.09,900, its highest level in 2 weeks. Market of America. The Fed will likely raise the Fed funds target by 75 basis points and leave the door open for another move of this magnitude at its next meeting. It is unlikely that the FOMC statement will change in any significant way. The Fed's revised projections will be the focus of the discussion. They will be extended up to 2025 for first time. Canada's August CPI surprise was on the negative side. Yesterday's outward up day for the US dollar was much larger than yesterday's against the Canadian dollar. Today's follow-through gains lifted the greenback to nearly 13400. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.